Hello, my name is John, and I am an elderly man. Every morning, I sit in my chair, drink my coffee, and read my newspaper. I don't work anymore these days, so I spend a lot of time at home. When I am at home, I like to look at old photos. When I see the photos, I remember my life in the past. I remember the moments when I was young. I remember all the happy moments with my family. After I look at the pictures, I usually sit in my chair and think about the past. When I was a small child, I rode my bicycle with all my friends. When it was summer, we played outside for hours and hours. When it was winter, we stayed inside and read books. That was a time when life was simple. We didn't have a lot, but we had our friends and family. Life was also interesting when I was a teenager. I remember my school and my classes. I didn't like the library very much, but I loved the gym. When I was in the gym, my classmates and I played sports and exercised. Sports was our favorite hobby. When we were in the cafeteria for lunch, we talked about sports for the entire time. And sometimes we tried to talk to the girls in our class. It was at this time when I met my wife. When we were in class together, we passed notes to each other almost every day. We were in love, and we wanted to be together forever. When I was a young man, life was an adventure. I married the love of my life, and we had a beautiful family together. It was at this time when I started a new job. I was a businessman. I woke up every morning, hugged my wife, and went to the office. When I was at the office, we had lots of meetings and made lots of phone calls. My coworkers and I worked together when we had an important project. I really liked my job, but when it was time to go home, I wanted to be with my family. I feel so happy when I see my photos. Life wasn't always easy, but the adventure was amazing. I had a lot of beautiful moments in my life, and I hope you have them too.